Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video I'm gonna talk about how you can fix your message sending problem. If your messages are not sending to someone, how you can fix this in Redmi 13c mobile phone. Before watching this video, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, then subscribe to it and like our video. So let's start friends. First you have to open your settings, swipe down, here it is apps, click on apps, click on manage apps, and you have to choose if your WhatsApp messages are not sending or message app messages are not sending. Click on search bar and here you have to type WhatsApp. Swipe down, click on notifications, and here you have to enable all these notifications. You can see if there is not enable, then it will not send your messages. You have to enable all these. You can see show notification, allow permanent notification, allow lock screen notification, allow for floating notification, and press back simply and type here message app like this. Click on it, click on notification, and friends, here you have to enable this notification and your notification problem is solved. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. See you next time.